Here we're asked to use polynomial long division. Okay, now the goal is to match this term. So what times x squared is equal to 4x to the fourth? Well, after a little bit of thought, we're going to choose 4x squared. That should do it. 4x squared times x squared is 4x to the fourth. Okay, and then you have to distribute. 4x squared times that 1 is plus 4x squared. Notice there I left some space because I wanted to line up the like terms. Now when you subtract, remember you have to distribute that negative. So 4x to the fourth minus 4x to the fourth is 0. And when I distribute, this will become negative 5x squared minus 4x squared. Well, that's 1x squared. Okay, let's bring down the negative 3x to the third plus the 1x squared, and then continue bringing down these other terms, and then we're going to do it again. So now the question is, what times x squared is equal to negative 3x to the third? Well, we're going to choose negative 3x. Negative 3x times x squared is negative 3x to the third. Okay, negative 3x times 1 is minus 3x. Again, I left some space to line up the like terms. And then we subtract. And when we subtract, negative times a negative is really plus 3x to the third. So negative 3x third plus 3x third is 0. And you want that to happen. And then when I distribute that negative here, a negative times a negative will make that plus. Okay, so negative 3x plus 3x, again, that's going to be 0 as well. So we'll just bring down the terms that are left over, x squared plus 1. Okay, and then for the last step, we're trying to figure out what times x squared matches up x squared this time. We can easily see 1 will do it. 1 times x squared is x squared. 1 times 1 is plus 1. So here when I subtract, x squared minus x squared is 0. 1 minus 1 is 0. So the remainder here is 0. Okay, so that means x squared plus 1 went into this polynomial evenly, and the result is 4x squared minus 3x plus 1.